Hey everybody, it's Allison Sullivan. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Westminster, British Columbia in Canada. And this video will share with you how to sign up to become a member of my Stampin' Up! Demonstrator team. Our community is called Canada Inks Up, and we have approximately 150 demonstrators in our community from coast to coast. So I'd love to welcome you. So once you've made the decision to sign up and get a discount on your Stampin' Up! Products, you'll want to go to My Online Sign Up and select the items for your starter kit. So I want to show you how to do that. So I'm going to just share my screen here, and I will take you through most of the sign up. So once you've gone to the link, you're going to enter your email address, and that's going to set up an account, which you're going to need to show. You're going to need it as a demonstrator because you're going to be needing to access all things Stampin' Up! So the back office, okay? So you're going to go ahead and do that. And once you've done that, this should pop up. You should see my name and my face, okay? If you don't, it's because you have to choose me. So just choose me from the list of demonstrators. So Allison Sullivan, okay? So what's going to happen next? Well, we're going to talk about what starter kit, then you can select your products, and then you're going to go, the final step is actually enrolling, okay? So let's continue. Now, I am showing you this as part of the October sign up. So there is a special deal in October, which is I'm super excited about. So you're going to want to decide which of the two options that you would like. It's the 35th anniversary of Stampin' Up! I've been a demonstrator for 21 years, and it's the 35th anniversary. And as a gift to new demonstrators, Stampin' Up! Is offering 2 different starter kits, okay? So normally a starter kit has $165 worth of product, and demonstrators pay $135, no shipping, okay? But during October, you can get 35% off the cost. So normally priced at $135, it'll be priced at $87.75, 35% off. And you will still get your $165 worth of products. I think that's an awesome deal. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. That's like half price. So if you would prefer to pay just pay the $135, you can get 35% more product. So instead of getting $165, which is awesome, you can get $222.75. I think that's pretty awesome, right? So I'm going to go ahead and view the contents for getting more because I like more. Why not get more, right? And so now you're going to see this screen, which is basically going to tell you the other products that come with your starter kit. So you want to confirm that you're going for the 35% more. And then of course it comes with what they call a business pack. You do not have to use the business pack. But look at this. You get a free paper pumpkin too. Isn't that cool? So even more value. My goodness. Okay. So now we're going to go and select product. You're going to choose whether you would like English or French. And then you're going to be directed to a screen that's going to show you all the products. Now we have hundreds, thousands of products, which can be a little bit overwhelming, right? So what I suggest for people to do is to make a list of products that you would like before you get to this stage, just so you have an idea. You've got your $222.75 because you can't go over, okay? You can go a little bit under, but you can't go over. So you want to get as close to that number as possible. Now, what you may notice here, before I tell you how to pick your products, you may notice something here that you don't see as a customer. There are products here that are not available to customers yet. One of them is this Fluffiest Friends bundle. How adorable is this? This product is going to be part of the online exclusive launch in November. So customers will be able to order it in November, but demonstrators can order it in October, and new recruits can add it to their starter kit. So how cute is that? Here's some other things that are new. Meandering Meadow, this 6x6 designer series paper, which is gorgeous. Another sneak peek for demonstrators. So cool. as is the Garden Meadow bundle. Here it is. That's another one that's a sneak peek. The adhesive backed dragonflies and birds. These are little embellishments. And check out this gorgeous 3-color glimmer paper. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. So these are products that are going to be available only to demonstrators in October and customers in November. Okay. Very cool. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is I'm going to just see this little magnifying glass up here. We're going to go up there and we're going to type in a number here, 162560. Oh, it wouldn't let us do it. Okay, that's all right. I think once you've started as a demonstrator, you can pick this item. Okay, it is a bundle or a suite of products that we can use at the November 11th online on stage, which is like an online convention for Stampin' Up. Because did you know when you sign up in October, you get a free registration? So that's another $102 value. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so we can't do that. So what we're going to do is hopefully go back. I'll just use this and let's start adding some items that you might like. So for instance, let me enter just a number just to show you how this works. So 161956, if I click enter, it's the Merry, Bold, and Bright. And let's say that I really want this suite, okay? So I'm just going to add it to my starter kit. And it's going to tell me that I have $118.25 spent. And down here, remaining retail value, $104.50. Okay? So that's pretty cool. All right. If I ever want to see my cart, I just go up here and I click here and it'll bring up my cart. Maybe my computer isn't wanting to cooperate. Looks like it. View kit. There we go. So I was just telling me that I've got my business supply pack, which is free. And then I've spent 118. Okay. So I can keep going and adding product. So if I click on these three little hamburgers, I call them, you can see that you can quickly get to each category. So let's say I want to go to online exclusives because I really want to take advantage of being a new demonstrator and get this adorable, fluffiest friends bundle. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at these. Look at this. How cute is that? And then we're going to add that to the starter kit. And now it says I have $30 left. So for $30, I think I can buy some paper. So I'm going to search. So I'm going to type in basic white and hit enter. And then it's going to bring up some cardstock. So let's see here. I want this cardstock. So I can add, and I've got $30. So I'm going to add 2 of those. And that's going to leave me with $5.50. I don't know if there's anything for $5.50, but I'm going to see how much the glue is. It might be a little bit too much. I think that's the cheapest item. Yeah, so there's nothing for $5. So I'm just going to have to accept that I got pretty darn close to I get $222.75 and my retail value is $217. So there's nothing left. Okay. So now I want to review that. I've got everything I want. That's awesome. I'm going to click next. You must be within $5. Okay. So I'm not quite sure how we're going to do that. This is good because this will show me how we can get within $5. So let's add that. And now I've got $17.75. Okay. So let's go here. And now I'll type glue. And I personally, my favorite glue is the Tombow glue. Sorry, it's my computer that's taking time here, you guys. So how much have I got left? $17.75. Okay, how about if I choose the, let's see here, want this one, the multi-purpose glue, because I love, that's my favorite glue. And then my second thing I use more than anything is Stampin' Dimensionals. Use them so much I know the number. So now I'm within the $5, okay? So I'm within my $5. So I can leave that for $25, okay? When I click next, this is where you're actually going to enroll. And this is where you're going to enter your address, your name, your all the things that they need to know to sign you up, okay? And it's just, my computer's just slow. So it's nothing we can speed up, okay? Now I want to say here that you want to make sure that my name is up here. If it's not, then you're not signing up with me, and I would be sad. So I really would love you to be part of my community, okay? So you can click here. Okay, so now I'm going to stop sharing this, and I'm going to come back and hopefully get back to where I was. There I am. Oh, good. There I am. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a little overview of how to actually do the enrollment process, how to choose some product. Showed you some sneak peeks there of some fun new stuff that you can get only as a demonstrator in October. And I'm really happy to help you. I don't mind, give me a phone call, email me. It's stampwithallison@gmail.com. So that's stampwithalison@gmail.com. I'm going to put all of this information in this video so that you can find how to sign up, and you can certainly reach out and ask me any questions, okay? So thanks for spending a few minutes with me going over how to sign up. It's a great deal in October, and I would love for you to join my community. Thanks so much. Have a great day and happy